Hello, Nadine here again today, and today I'm going to be doing a card focusing mainly on violet colors with some hints of green. So to get started, I'm going to be using some VersaFine Clair colors in Monarch, Shady Lane, and Verdant. And I'm also going to be using Delicata in white shimmer, and some Memento in grape jelly, and also going to be using the irRESISTible Pico Embellisher. This is in shimmer, and then some fireworks in New Sprout, Pear, Tart, Lulu Lavender, and grape jelly. And then this is a stamp set that I just picked up. I think I got it at Michael's. So I'm going to be using these flowers. Okay, so to get started, this stamp set that I'm using is actually a layered stamp set. So I'm going to be using my Misty because I think my Misty works amazing with layered stamps. That way I can make sure I get everything lined up perfectly. So the first color I'm going to use is Memento in the grape jelly. So I'm going to try to push down hard, and then I'm going to actually stamp it up twice. And then the next layer, I'm actually going to use the VersaFine Clair in Monarch. And then for my third layer, I am going to use the Delicata in white shimmer. And I'm going to stamp it probably about 4 times, restamping it, which is why another reason why the Misty is great to use for this, because I can make sure I'm getting it stamped back in the same spot each time. There we go. And I'm going to do the same thing with some leaves, but I'm going to do the main part of the leaves in the Verdant VersaFine Clair, and then Verdant, I guess is how you say it, and then the VersaFine Clair in Shady Lane to get the lines. Now that I have it all stamped out, I am going to fussy cut them. Since I don't have a die cut for these, I'm going to fussy cut them out and be right back. There we go. I stamped out more flowers and more leaves, and now into the center of the middle of the flowers, I am going to do little tiny dots of the irRESISTible Pico Embellisher in the shimmer. Once I screw off the lid, you just want to get it started a little bit on a paper towel or something, and every time you go upright with it again and go back down, you want to do this on a paper towel again just to make sure you get the air bubbles out. So just do little tiny drops on each little center. And this one I already did, so it's dry. You can see what it looks like once it's dry, hopefully. And this other one down here I'm going to set aside to dry. And now I'm going to use, this is water paper. I believe it's 140-pound water paper. I'm going to start with the fireworks in Lulu Lavender. Actually, I'm going to spray with water first. And then spray. I'm going to do a little tiny bit of the grape jelly. And now doing some New Sprout. And then Pear Tart. To me, Pear Tart looks more gold, but that could be just a matter of opinion. I just think it looks gold to me. There we go. And now I'm going to actually use my heat tool to dry this up quickly. There we go. Now it's all dry. See a cool marbled effect it got. And then as an afterthought, I decided I wanted to stamp a sentiment. So I'm going to use this Hero Arts stamp set, and it says Just a Note, that I am going to stamp right down here in the bottom corner. And I'm going to stamp it in using the VersaFine Clair Monarch. And then I'm going to emboss it with some clear embossing powder. And now my card's complete. I mounted it on some coordinating cardstock and a white card base, arranged my flowers and leaves on there, and added some ribbon, and then I also added some dots of the irRESISTible Pico Embellisher and Shimmer. And then my card was complete. Thank you for watching. Visit imaginecrafts.com for even more inspiration.